So this is right, not even 5 minutes from where we were staying at. So we thought we'd just stop here real quick and do this one before we go to the Moran State Park. And this is our amazing view. But way over there we can see the water. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, now we're walking around with the little sheep. Little sheep's going, where's my friends? It's okay, we're not gonna come get you, buddy. Oh, look at him running. I'm not gonna chase him away. Oh, wouldn't it be lovely just to have a horse out here? Walk. We just saw a deer, a little deer. He was just leaping through the grass over there. Little boggy pond. Well, you walk far enough, you go down to the owner's place. So they just say to respect, you know, the people's property and stuff. If there's well, you can go through the gate, but this goes back to a trail, I think, that walks over to their house. It's beautiful here. I think so. Well, we went to their house yesterday. Gorgeous. This looks like it could have been an old road, but it's not. It's less traveled now.
It's not traveled now, not by car.
Yeah,
Blocked off.
not traveled anymore. But it looks like it was a road to a property.